Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this video, and today in this video we are going to discuss about the Power BI introduction. But even beginning with the introduction of the course, let's discuss about how much you can expect or make as a data analyst or a Power BI developer. So if you are a fresher, if you are a fresher or a working professional who has late started into the data industry and is a Power BI developer as a data analyst, or you are looking for a job as a Power BI developer or as a data analyst, so you can expect anything between 4 to 8 lakhs per annum. But again, it might depend on the company as well. So depending on different organization, let's say if you are going to a multinational company or any big organization, they can offer you more as well. But on an average, I think as a beginner or as a person who has late started, you can definitely expect anywhere between 4 to 8 per annum. So now let's discuss about the course, and let's first of all have a small discussion around that. So what is Power BI and why do we use it? That is the most important question. So Power BI is nothing but it's a Microsoft product and helps us to get useful information about the data. So data is generally, it is in a form where we expect we directly cannot use it for reporting purpose and helping the business to take a best possible business decision in least possible time. Right. So Power BI help us in transforming, structuring, preparing this data, and then using this data to create attractive visuals. And then we can tell the compelling stories using those reports, those visuals, and then ultimately we are able to help the business and stakeholders to take useful data driven decisions, ultimately which helps them in and enhancing their revenue or getting some sort of benefit. Right. So that's the reason we use this type of tools. Power BI is not only the tool in the market, there are other tool as well. Like we have Looker, we have Quick View, we have Tableau. But again, Power BI is one of the widely used tools. Again, since it's Microsoft product. So when it comes to integrating with other Microsoft products, so it's one of the advantage with Power BI. So that is also one of the reason it is widely used in the industry. So that's all right. That's all about Power BI tool. Now let's talk about the content of the course that we have created. This is the content you can see in the screen. So in the very first part of the data visualization, first part you can see data visualization. So we have discussed about data visualization. So when you learn about data visualization with especially with Power BI desktop, you will get a chance to become more familiar with a tool, and you'll get to know about general interface of the tool and different types of default visuals which are available in Power BI. So this is the first section, and you will get to know about the general interface of the tool and different types of different visuals, default visuals, which are available in Power BI. So this is the first section, and you will get to know about the general interface. This is second section, and we have discussed about Power Query Editor. Query Editor. So what is Power Query Editor is basically the heart of Power BI, because where you can perform all sorts of data transformation. As I already told it to you that data generally it is not in the form where we can directly use it to create a beautiful reports and dashboards. So we first have of all, so first of all, we have to bring it in a form where we can create useful reports beautiful reports, or you can convey insights and information through